merged. So spring is here, and we're gonna be doing some campolining. We're gonna camp on the trampoline. So here's all the things you need. Some sleeping bags. What we got here? Some pillows. Some snacks.
And of course, you gotta have your camping water bottle.
Some snacks. Then we're gonna need your stuffed animals. We got these two creatures and a big dinosaur.
Gotta get blankets.
Blankets, a sheet to put the sleeping bags on, and a trampoline, and a whole lot of funness. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Come check out our fort. It's called the Trampoline of Awesomeness.
Hello.
So you got Griffin and me. This is my sleeping bag. This is Griffin's and Ange's. And it's super fun and it's comfy. I'm a worm! Oh. So we'll see you in the morning. Hi. So we survived the night. Campolining is fun. I definitely recommend that you should do it. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know if there's an upcoming video. Bye.